Hi guys, happy new week. I know this is Monday. Yes, I want to teach you something. You're not going to pay money for it. This is just from me to you. I just learned it. So some people might already know about this, why some don't know about it. So if you're among the clique that don't know about it, I want to teach you how you can make popcorn from the comfort of your home, as long as you have a microwave available. Yes, you don't have to go out to buy popcorn, spend so much money and buy popcorn, especially those of you that have kids, yes, that need snacks or stuff to keep them busy. Even we adults, me personally, I love eating popcorn. It keeps me busy, especially when I'm watching movies. So join me, watch out while I teach you how you can make popcorn from the comfort of your home. So guys, this is all you need. You need a plate. This is my popcorn seed, oil, vegetable oil, or any type of oil you have in your home. Yes, salt, so this is my popcorn seeds, salt. Put as much as you want. I'm using salt because I want to make salty popcorn. You can use sugar, you can use milk, anything you want for your popcorn. Oil, you add oil. Do you know the reason for this oil? It's actually to make it to be faster, like to pop faster. Yeah, that's all I need. Salt and oil and my popcorn seeds. Mix up together. I'm going to use this plate. You cannot use a rubber plate because this is going inside the microwave that is very hot. You can't use a rubber plate. You can use something like this, a ceramic plate, or I don't think you can use a glass plate either. I think ceramic is the best. Yes. Or stainless plate, yes, something like that. But don't use rubber plate, please. So this is the plate I'm gonna use to make my popcorn. So I transfer, but it doesn't have a cover. So this is much better for me. So I transfer my popcorn from here to here. So guys, my popcorn is ready to go into the microwave. Let's go. So this is my microwave. Watch. So this is my microwave. I'm actually going to use 5 to 7 minutes is enough to make the popcorn. Just 5 to 7 minutes. So this is my microwave. 0. Watch. 5, 6, 7. See? Listen. Can you hear that? My popcorn is popping already. So my popcorn is ready. As you can see. So ready. Guys, this is my sweet, yummy popcorn. My sweet, yummy popcorn is out already, and it's ready. I hope 1 or 2 people learn something from this. Yummy. I love you all. Bye.